Hey, let's check it out what we have new here. Here is like woman rigged, cheerleader, teacher, student, or whatever you decide to use her for. Check it out, there are predefined poses. It's fully rigged, meaning like there is pose, like the body rig, and also there is the face rig. You can easily change the poses if you want. Also, if you want to change like the skirt, we added some extra bones, so you can play with. Also, you can check, and play and animate and so on. If you go to dope sheet and action editor, you can see that we have different. Let's take a look. There is the wave. So yeah, there is also like the waving animation, which is looping, and also there is let's check it out. If I find it, there is one test walk, for example. You can see and play. See, like it's also, so that's it. And yeah, there is also like the kiss animation, like it's sharing, like see, it's fun. So that's it. It's also like if you want to change the clothes, you can easily just put the clothes you want to and white paint, or we can do it for you if you want to customize the clothes. So this is inside. Let me share some images I create for you so you can see also the mesh. So you can see here is the beautiful mesh which you can use. It's pretty low poly, so you can use it even in games or whatever you decide to. And the beautiful model, we have different various formats are included, like Blender file, FBX file, OBJ file, GLB, MTL, material file, and textures are included. So you can change you can change the clothes, and it's unwrap, meaning like you can easily just put texture and you can put whatever logo or whatever you decide here and just change it easily. Let me share, this is how it looks like inside, like GLB file. Here we are on GLTF viewer. So yeah, it's there's the poses. Let me just go. You can see and play and use it in the web, so it can rotate on click and so on and so forth. So it's pretty fun. If you want to see more of our 3D models, we are on Cheerleader, or you can go to 3D.design. Links are below in the comment section. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.